Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix inaccurate time on WhatsApp. So, for example, I'm going to change my time and date. For example, September. And if I go to WhatsApp, date is inaccurate. So what do? I go to my date and time and choose set time automatically, and it should be working. You go to your WhatsApp and it works. But if it didn't, go to your device settings, search app management or app manager or just apps. It may be called different in different smartphones, brands, devices, and then search WhatsApp, choose force stop, find storage usage, and find cache. Choose clear cache. Then go to permissions. Make sure that you allowed all of this, and because it may be the cause of the problem, make sure that you allowed all of this, so that won't be the problem. So the next thing I'm gonna do, if this still doesn't work, try to restarting your phone, because if something is inaccurate like date or time, you can just restart your phone and it may help you. I hope this video helped you, and please like and subscribe if you find it helpful, and I will see you in the next one.